Hi teachers, I created this very simple, easy to follow thesis for anyone who's doing his or her graduate studies. And I am going to discuss the navigation bar for this video, but you can check the description below for the other series. I will be discussing the intro, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and there's a finale also. So here's the navigation bar. I have to close this. So how are you going to show the navigation bar? All you need to do is on your keyboard, press Control F and then go to headings. So when you are going to click acknowledgement, you will be routed to the acknowledgement page. When you click dedication, you will also be routed to the dedication page. So if you would like to check chapter 1, just go to chapter 1 and you will be routed to chapter 1. So if you would like to go to chapter 2, click chapter 2 and you will right away be routed to chapter 2. Same thing if you would like to check chapter 3. So the navigation bar, it enables you to go to your document as simple as a click. So I have made it easier for you, and this is in an orderly manner. Okay, now when you are going to go to chapter 1, notice that there are red text. These are actually guide tips. So, or these are actually guide or tips. So if you are wanting to know what to add to chapter 1, I have added some guide for you. It's in red. And then if you don't need that one anymore, all you need to do is just delete them. Okay? So again, if you would like to go elsewhere in your document, just click in your navigation bar. If you would like to add, for the appendices, if you would like to add more, so say for example, you have a lot of things to add, you can just copy this and then go to page layout, click page, and then just change this appendix D. See, it's automatically added there. Okay, so if you would add another one, just click enter and then page, next page. So this is E, name of file. So it's automatically added there. And if you would like to go back to the table of contents and update the page numbers here, you can just do that. So if you check chapter 1, go here. So chapter 1 is page 1, go back to the table of contents and then change this bit here. So again, this is the navigation bar. It's very easy to use. It's very simple. And if you would like to have a copy of the thesis template that I used when I was doing my master's and doctorate degree, you can send me an email at info@teachersandph.com and I am going to send you my template. If you find this video helpful and useful, you can share this to your friends and your colleagues who are doing graduate studies. And if you would like to be notified when I upload new videos, you can subscribe to my channel.